Alright guys, 15,200 is a strong supporting line. So today we have seen price are bouncing from 15,200. So why price are bouncing from this level? Let me explain here. So this is the most important Fibonacci level because it's an extension of 123. So here I can see price goes down, pull back and goes down. So if you want to see here, this one A point and this one B point and this one C point, and the D point is Fibonacci 1.236% extension where they are forming a strong support this line. And another confirmation here, AX is equal to BC. So another pattern we have seen here. So this is the very professional pattern. So we use, and the first let me use here, this is the Fibonacci extension, A point and the B point. So let me connect these 2 points. Here I can see exactly near 200 level. So here I can see this one 200 level. Have you seen? Okay. So it's a act as a support right now. It's a probability to bounce from this area. Let me show you here. So right now let me draw a pattern first. Sorry, this one. Another, here you can see A point. Just a minute, let me remove this one. Okay, so let me remove this one. Okay, all right. Now another, we have seen this one A and somewhere B and D, ABCD pattern. Have you seen? This is called ABCD pattern. So why is it called ABCD pattern? Because if you want to see here, this area, from this area to this level, so I want to connect this lower point.